It's 5 o'clock somewhere. I haven't eaten breakfast since 1 p.m. and this is the breakfast of champions for me. This is Stella Rosa Black. This stuff is amazing. This has been keeping me going during this quarantine, so I suggest you get on board if you haven't tried it. So I'm gonna sip and try to slay at Walmart because that's where I have to go today to pick up my glasses. My prescription is ready. So I saw this little cute wig since I'm trying to wear wigs now. You know, protective styling during the quarantine. And I have my little Tupac braids under this. So I just braided it back like this, and then I left these 2 pieces down just in case I have to wear something that needs leave out. So yeah, gangster rapper, that's what I look like. And I did just kind of, I moisturize my braids every 2 days because I want to keep my hair healthy. And I just use this Blue Magic conditioning hair dress. Nourish your hair and scalp. So that's why it looks so shiny. I just put some of that on it. And I also put some just on the trundles right here. So I'm gonna put on this beige wig cap back on. Tuck my little side wheelers back up under there. And my edges. And we're gonna see what Dashley talking about. So I saw Miss Dashley, she was $13.99. So we're gonna see if I can get some looks at Walmart with Dashley on since I am going to wear her today. It says Fast Fashion Meets Hair. Full wig, Unit 6, 1B. An essential addition to your wig stash. Ready to wear styles, made with heat resistant fiber, available in fashion forward colors. Dress it up or dress it down. To you, but I'll just show you right here. She comes in all those colors, but I just stick with black because I want her to actually look believable. But she looks cute on the model, so let's see if I can look like this. So this is by Sensationnel. Let me just say that, Sensationnel. So I'd already taken her out of the pack and I wasn't filming, so this is what she looks like. The construction on the inside is, she has 2 combs by the bang and 1 in the back, you know, pretty basic, and then the adjustable straps. I haven't worn bangs in so long, like, I feel like a kid when I'm wearing bangs, so let's see what Miss Ashley do. Let's put her on. All right, we'll throw Ashley on. Then I'm gonna take my comb, and we're just gonna comb her out. You know how when you be sitting on a date with some dusty man and he asks that question,
what do you bring to the table? What do you bring to the table?
When that dude's sitting across from you, he's like, oh, what do you bring to the table? Don't ever ask women that dumb question. But we're gonna ask Miss Dashley what she brings to the table. Okay, let's see. These bangs are kind of stupid. These bangs are stupid. They're just very blunt. Not really much of a curl in them. They're just blunt. So first, let me just comb Miss Dashley out. And then let me see. Do I want my bangs further back like this? Like the pinup style? Or do I want them down like this? Like girls wear them over their brow. Who from Love and Hip Hop Atlanta wear their wigs all the way down here like this? It's one of those girls who used to be a stripper. What's her name? When I think of her name, I want to post a picture because you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But I think I want them back just a little bit. I like that she's not super thick, so it can look very believable. This brush is just gliding through. She does have some layers. Let me see where she falls, like almost bra strap line, I think. Let's see. She falls right there. She's pretty soft, like really soft. I do like that. I feel like I look weird with bangs. The bangs are not really that full. Okay. Okay. This is worth $13.99. I definitely probably would go in and add some kind of something to these bangs, because they just here, honey. They just showed up and was like, I don't bring nothing to the table, okay? I'm just here trying to get a free meal. I'm not bringing nothing to the table. I don't even like you. I just came out because I was bored. That's what these bangs bringing to the table. But the rest of the wig, she bringing femininity to the table, softness, sweetness, girliness to the table. She bringing all of that, okay? All of that. But she keep getting stuck in my lip gloss, and there's some long pieces in the bang that I'll have to cut. Okay, yeah, I could wear this to work. You know, she definitely wouldn't be an everyday wig, but I definitely could get some use out of Dashley. It was just easy to throw on, girl. Girl, you definitely worth $13.99. I might even pay $15.99. It's very soft. I'm gonna see how she wears. So I'm gonna wear her out. It's about, hold on, I need to refresh.
Look who's down by my feet. She's down by my feet. She loves feet. Okay, say hello. My name is Maya Angelou, and I love feet. I have a foot fetish, and I love to play with my mommy's feet.
Dime. You know, dime bangs be like this. When you can barely see her eyes, she be like, girl, no you didn't, no you didn't. What you say? That's how her bangs be. So I don't want no dime bangs. I want my bangs like back like this. And I may try to curl these, or even like cut it out a little bit more. I'm not sure, cause like the bangs they just drop off right here and then the hair starts. So I feel like I might want them a little farther across like that. So I'm gonna go out to Walmart, see how many heads I can turn with Dashley, and see how she wears. And then I'll come back and tell you. So I think about 4 o'clock, I'll come back and let you know how she wears.
Alright, back from Walmart. She didn't get tangled up. She didn't make my neck itch. So that's good. When I picked up Melissa, my glasses. Oh, I can see so good. I can see. I got my eyes checked and they put a new prescription in my glasses. And now I can see what the world actually looks like. So I decided I want to try to curl these bangs. It did say you could put heat on them, so I'm just going to go very lightly because these bangs were bugging me while I was out. So I'm going to use these curlers on 5. I'm going to start really low because I don't want to sizzle up Miss, what's her name? I forgot what her name is. Dashley. I knew it rhymed with Ashley, but I couldn't remember. I don't want to have no problems with Miss Dashley here. So I'm just going to clip this back like that. And we'll see. So I'm starting to bob just in case I fry her. You won't be able to see it. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to start on 5. Ooh, honey, that's hot. I don't know about that. Okay. That was hot, though. And it didn't, it did straighten the hair out some. Maybe not 3. Because it did straighten out the texture of the wig. So I'm just going to do it really fast. I don't want her to have no problems.
Okay, I will leave her alone before I jack her up. I want to jack her up because I see she's getting shiny. Okay, yeah. It just looked like it made it even straighter. So I would not be putting any more heat on Dashley. We're just gonna have to work with the bangs the way they are and accept her for who she is. We can't make her be somebody she's not, okay? We gotta start accepting people for who they are. And we have to just accept Dashley's bangs for who they are. They're gonna be garbage, and that's all we can expect, okay? So stop trying to change her, okay? Just just gotta work with what she got, or just move on. Gotta work with what she bringing to the table, or you just gotta move on away from her. Okay? I am not. We're just gonna say it's a no for me, dog. We're trying to curl Dashley. You just gonna have to accept her bangs, keep it moving. If you do that, if you let her be herself, she will turn a few heads for you. You know, I went to Walmart, went to Target. You know, I saw people like looking back at Dashley. I caught them out there. They were looking. They wasn't mesmerized. You know, they didn't do a double take on Dashley, but they were looking. They were looking. So I would say do not try to curl this wig. This is the wig I'm going to wear for this week, and then I'm going to switch it up next week, and I'll come back and show you the wig that I am going to wear for next week. But I hope you enjoyed this. You just got to keep playing with it. I'm going to play with it till I like it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please like, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, do whatever you have to do. Please leave a comment. You guys never want to talk to me. I say leave a comment, let me know something. Nobody comments. So leave a comment, let me know what you think about Miss Dashley Hunty, and I will see you guys later. Have a wonderful day.